Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to discuss the rose knot. Here's the rose knot. It's really pretty. And you actually do it with square knots. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is make some square knots. So let's do about 4 of them. I'll leave a little space at the top there. Okay, I'll tell you why. Okay. Oh, I want to tell you guys a secret about square knots. This is something that super helped me. Okay, so let's say you're doing a whole string of these and you like have to do something else for a minute and you come back and you're like, oh my God, which side was I on? What am I supposed to do? I don't want it to twist. I just want it to go straight. You see this line right here? Like it's not exactly the same on both sides. So like I just completed this square knot and you don't have that line over there. Okay, it alternates. You see the lines on the left. Whatever side that line is on, that's the side you need to do next. So I do the left first, and then the right. And then of course I alternate because we don't want to twist. So we're not going to repeat the same thing over and over again. Some people just like to always start with the same, because the pattern doesn't look that much different. You know, if you start with the right hand every time, you start with the left hand every time. It's just about staying consistent. Anyways, okay, so I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 square knots. Okay, now what you're gonna do, these 2 middle strands, you're gonna see this hole right here. You're gonna put them through that. All I'm doing is pull. Yeah, I got it. Okay. Make sure I got the right ones here. Pulling them through. Okay, watch this. Okay, it's gonna have to flip them through. If there's twisted, it's gonna even out. Okay, so let's make this cute little button. Okay, so you get it down here. It's really rounded. You don't want it like hanging out like this. Okay, it's gonna look droopy. Think about a droopy flower. Nobody wants that. So hold on to this middle maybe. And then you're immediately gonna do a square knot to kind of tack it in place and get it really tight underneath of there. There you go. And that's your rose knot. And just imagine like if you have a really beautiful row of those all across, or you know, you can alternate things, but it looks really cool because part of macrame is, you know, a large part of it. It's about texture, adding texture to your home. And so when you can also do things that like kind of pop out of the art, that really helps, because a lot of these things like square knots are flat and the picot square knots are flat. Now the twist brings a little dimension to it, but the rose knots really bring things forward and it's going to differentiate and give dimension to your piece. So that's the tutorial for today. I'm trying to keep these short and sweet so that I can do them more often for you. So practice that one. Again, you just do like 4 or 5 square knots and you take the middle 2 and you put them through the little hole above there. And then you do an immediate square knot to tack it into place. All right, see you next time.